Intan ser naqleb daqsxejn il-lingwa l-lum qed tisimgħuni daqsxejn iktar rejżjata mis-soltu għax għandi wis affarijiet x'indaħħal f'dan l-aħħar programm u miegħi fuq il-linja għandi lill-kamminante Timea Szilagyi. Ħanaraw daqsxejn fejn waslet ukoll qabel ma ngħaddiha ukoll mal-kollegi tiegħi Colin Fitzgerald illi ser jaħslu magħha ukoll sal-aħħar fid-destinazzjoni tagħha Santiago de Compostela. Good morning, dear Timea, and welcome for the very last time to Campus Breakfast. How are you this morning, Timea?
Good morning, Antonella, and good morning, everyone who is listening. I'm really emotional now. Not only this is our last time that we speak with you.
Don't make me cry, Tashina.
Well, yesterday I've been crying quite a lot because it was one of the most special days on my journey.
You stopped somewhere special, eh?
Yes, because I walked my very first Camino 10 years ago, and at that time I just passed by a village which is called Gragnon, and I got so much from the Camino, and I always felt that I have to give back. So next year, the following year, I came for a small course. And then after that, in 2016, I was a hospitalera in Gragnon, in this very specific albergue for 2 weeks. And yesterday was the first time when, as a pilgrim, I actually walked into Gragnon. And it felt really that, I arrived home. And it was after 40 kilometers walk. I was really tired. And when I arrived, there were 50 pilgrims, and they were already cooking together.
How nice!
And the lady who was responsible for the Hospitalero program, she just by chance she came and she grabbed me by the neck. She was calling me like Niña, like my child, and without agreeing that I will come and I pass by and I will stay for the night there. And so it was so emotional, so special that I'm still under this.
So you're still there right now? You're still in Gragnon?
I left because the rules are like by 8 o'clock we have to leave the albergue because they start cleaning. So the first pilgrims, sometimes they arrive around 11 o'clock. So they have to be ready. No, I left, but I was one of the last ones.
We've been walking with you, at least in spirit, for 10 weeks now. All I know is, that you left Gragnon, you just left Gragnon, and you are 555 kilometers away from your final destination, Santiago de Compostela. How does it feel to be getting this close now?
Ever since these kilometer signs are showing the decreasing number, it feels a bit really sad that I see that the end is coming. But I always know that anytime I can come back, and there's still so many nice, interesting places left, which are really very specific to the Camino Frances. So I'm always, I will be so grateful beyond words to XirCammini and to James that he put me on this path of the Camino Maltés, because since part of it is the Camino Frances, I'm rewalking something with great nostalgia, and it is so special for me.
I usually ask you whether you came across any beautiful surprises these past few days, but you already mentioned that certainly the highlight for you this past week was certainly Gragnon. But looking back towards the whole journey so far, is there a particular spot, a particular place that you would definitely visit sometime soon?
From the past journey, the Montserrat Monastery was amazing. So there I would love to go back, and the Hospitalero was so nice. So whoever I encountered with, all the people, they are, they left a piece and then they left some memories in me. And but there's, this bucket list is so long. We all have so many wishes to do, but Montserrat, definitely I would love enough to go back because of the mountain. And I also consider that maybe I return as a hospitalera to one of these places. Yesterday, this lady Marina, she told me, I can come back anytime. And even Ares, which is the same spirit, the hospitaleros there, they said that once you've been serving, I am in an association, and they have an annual assembly and in December, so I'm considering to go there. So I may return as a hospitalera to one of these special places.
555 kilometers away. When are you expecting? You can only expect. I mean, it's very difficult to plan, but by now I think you have an idea of when you will be reaching Santiago de Compostela.
Yes, it will be around the 20th of July. So I'm walking much faster than I expected originally, because this terrain is much easier and it is very well waymarked. So it is really easy to walk. It's just you have to follow the signs, and so it might be like even 5 days earlier.
Say mid-July,
and I definitely, most of the time when I walked this long, I put down my pilgrimage and I go to the Atlantic Ocean. So after Santiago, I plan to walk 3 days to Finisterre, to the 0 kilometer sign, and to Muscia is one more day. Beautiful black rocks and 360 degrees view by the ocean. So usually I do this extra 4 days to put down my pilgrimage.
As if 3 months weren't enough, 3 months of walking.
And then there's one very specific to this year and to this time of the year in Santiago, and related to the pilgrimage, that Santiago's birthday is 25th of July.
Okay.
And every 25 years is a jubilee year. So this year, 2025, is a jubilee year. And I wish to be in Santiago on the 25th of July. So no matter when I finish and I do the ocean part, I would like to fly back or take a bus or maybe walk back to Santiago. And I would like to be, it's like 90 kilometers back. Well. So I would like to be in Santiago on this specific day, 25th of July, and after I return home to Malta.
Timea, it's been such a pleasure for me to follow your incredible journey week after week. It's a pity, of course, I won't be the one continuing these chats with you. I've really enjoyed every step, even from the comfort of my studio, of course, but I will definitely keep following your progress, including through XirCammini's page and obviously through summer breakfast conducted by my colleagues Colin and Corey. They will be keeping up the weekly check-ins, same day, same time. Is that okay with you?
It is, and I feel honored, Antonella. I still remember the very first time when in the studio we met, and you called me Maratona, and I feel like, I'm in progress of accomplishing what the plans were, and it is really an honor to follow this and to be part of this program. And thank you so much for.
The honor is all ours. You are truly an inspiration. You've been truly an inspiration to most of our listeners. Thank you so much, Timea. I send you a big, big hug and look forward to maybe meeting you again here in Malta, no?
Yes, of course.
We can meet up
definitely.
For a coffee or some wine after all.
Definitely. I'm just leaving La Rioja. This is the wine region. I'm leaving this La Rioja region today. I will enter to Castilla and Leon, and maybe just this for interest where I am now. So all in Spain, I will go, I will walk from the east coast to the west coast, so from Barcelona to the Atlantic Ocean, and I will be crossing think 6 autonomous community of the total 17 in Spain. So the next one is Castilla León. The last one will be Galicia, where Santiago is. So today again there will be a big step, but actually right now I am in the wine region, so definitely we will meet for a wine.
You can't bring some bottles from there. They're too heavy to carry, but don't worry. We will find some Spanish wine from here. Don't worry. Don't worry. Thank you so much. It's been such a pleasure for me to have these weekly chats, and I'm sure that you will enjoy also the company of my colleagues, Colin and Corries, throughout the coming weeks. Thank you. Buon camino. Buon camino.
Thank
Timea. Buen camino. Is it buen camino in Spanish?
Buen
camino. Buen camino. God bless you. Big
Buen
hugs.
camino in your life as well, Antonella, and in everyone's life.
Thank you
and
so much.
Have a nice Friday and weekend to all.
You too.
Thank you so much.
Bye. See you.
Thank
Hope to see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Xiġmiel, meta tgħid il-goodbyes, il-sensazzjoni tkun vera stramba. Kien il-pjaċir tiegħi li nitkellem ma' Timea, xi ispirazzjoni, nittama li rnexxiela tispira lil xi wħud minnkom u jekk hemm xi ħadd li jixtieq jesperjenza xi wieħed minn dan il-kamino, dawn il-mixjiet hemm diversi pellegrinaġġi tkellmu ma' XirCammini u s-Sur Portelli żgur James ser jgħinkom żgur James flimkien ma' hemm bosta nies b'ħafna u ħafna esperjenza illi ilhom jagħmlu ħafna pellegrinaġġi wkoll differenti. Din il-mixja partikolari li qed nitkellmu ma' Timea dwarha hija l-itwal waħda, il-Camino Maltés, nittamaw illi il-vjaġġ tagħha Timea jibqa' għaddej bl-istess ritmu illi ilu għaddej matul dawn l-10 ġimgħat.